course, the Department of Finance was there, the economic managers. Took advantage ulit yung na nandun sila dahil marami na tayong mga complaints, mga nakakausap natin, mga local businessmen. Pero nabahala ako na yung with the European ambassadors and some ambassadors of the different countries and the American and European Chamber started to complain na pati sila have been subject to harassment, no, by BIR through the LOA. So they're weaponizing the LOA for corruption. No? Ang marami ako nakakausap kasi ba local businessmen na siguro as early as 2 years ago marami nang mahangal. Na kahit yung mga nakaraan na nilang fiscal years, no, sa kanilang mga negosyo na cleared na through LOA, binubuksan ulit. No? So sa akin, I don't mind na it's a revenue generating. We support any revenue generating measures by the government agencies, no, like BIR. Pero wag naman yung aabusuhin. We have to strike a balance kasi this will not give us give a good signal, no. Of course, for local and both foreign investments, dapat clear cut yung policies natin, mga safeguards tayo na hindi prone to abuse. So again, they're weaponizing the letter of authority for corruption. Kung merong SOP, sa BIR naman, itong LOA ang ginagamit.